This is the magnetic stand soldering stand that can be used for just about any possible needs for your solder station and more. We're going to show you setup and a little demonstration of the fan sucking solder. Magnetic helping hands for your soldering station and needs and more. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside, and demonstrate for you. Opening up the box, you have an instruction guide and a thank you. You have a solder sucker fan and everything else nicely packaged. You have your clips, screws, hardware, 3M adhesive rubber mat, adhesive rubber feet, 4 little magnetic stands and points, an adjustable vice grip, a small power charge for the fan, a magnetic adjustable arm, the soldering cooling and holder station, an additional adjustable arm, the foam insert to the fan to take the solder in, a filter that is, long magnetic arms to hold, a magnetic arm that's adjustable and clamped down with a magnet, adjustable clamp with 1/4 20 threads, and the fan, and underneath will be your magnetic mat that you attach everything to. You are given 3 filters, not just one. This is your plate. It's a heavy-duty plate of metal. This is your magnet. It's a super strong magnet. It's going to clamp down nice and loud. So make sure wherever you want to put it, that's where it's going to stay. You have at least 6 feet with the power cable and the light switch. What you're going to do is plug in for your power. You have on here is a blue indicator of light. You have a fan, you have a light Kelvin change, and you have an increase and decrease of your light levels. You could turn your fan on only, and then you could turn your light on as well. And you could change the kelvins, as you can see. You could decrease and increase. Let's decrease the light by the increments and increase. The light goes into the off state, a coolness, a warm, and back to a coolness and an increase of light. The arm is adjustable, so when you have your soldering station by you, it'll breathe in the solder. But you are given rubber feet, and they will go on the bottom. So let's take off the magnet. Choose the side you want your rubber feet to be on, and place them on each of the corners. In no particular order, or you could use a diagram given by the company to set up your unit. You have these thumb bolts that you simply lock on these clips that are your helping hands, and they are adjustable so they don't fall out. And this one here will go right here in the corner. It is snap-on hard again, and they will stay in place. And with the skid-proof bottoms, it'll move real slow. These mats, they're 4 pieces, and they are for your clamp for replacements. You don't get replacements for the clamp, just for the vise. And if you need to replace the filter, just simply grab and slide in a new filter, like so. For demonstration purposes only, we're going to show you a setup with the vice grips. It opens up wide enough to put a small circuit board on. And clamp down securely. If the vice grips is not to your liking, then we have the 4 push pins that we grab each of the corners. And if we need to hold down something that we're going to solder and adjust to our needs, we can do so. With the fan on and melting solder, doing some soldering, you notice how the solder goes right into the fan. When all done, safely put it on the tip and do your soldering if you want to solder this particular way. Solder cables, solder batteries through a clamp. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for in your needs of soldering and more. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.